Somebody tell me the definition of a computer. Apute? කවුරු හරි කියන්න බලන්න computer එකේ definition එක.
A computer is a man-made electronic mechanical device with major electronic hardware components which converts data into meaningful information within very less time period by the reducing the workload of the people.
Yes, it is a computer. It is a computer, right? We realize now what is a computer. Now we will see what are the characteristics of this computer. What are the characteristics of this computer? We will see. අපි බලමු මොනවද මේ computer එකේ ලක්ෂණ ටික. What are the characteristics? I will tell those things. When you hit to your computer, නිකන් බලන්නකො පොඩ්ඩක් monitor එකට මෙහෙම touch කරලා. ගහලා පොඩ්ඩක් හයියෙන් ගහලා බලන්න. Put a little touch and check whether this computer is crying or not. Monitor එකට පොඩි touch එකක් දීලා බලන්නකො. එයා රිදෙන ගානට ගහලා බලන්නකො. එයා අඬනවද නැද්ද කියලා. Or else if it is check whether if it is saying I heard this like that. Did it say something? Did it say like that? එහෙම කිව්වද? එයා එහෙම කිව්වද? මෙහෙම පොඩ්ඩක් ගැහුවා මට රිදෙනවා කියලා කිව්වද?
Sir.
Yes. Computer doesn't have any feeling. It cannot sense anything. Computer cannot feel anything. එයාට කිසි දෙයක් දැනෙන්නේ නැහැ. It doesn't feel anything. But by the computer, we can do multiple tasks at a time. Multiple tasks at a time. If somebody asks you to do, Samili, if somebody asks you to do 10 things at a time, think one of your friend is asking you to do 10 things at a time. We'll see what are the 10 things. Your friend is asking you to read a book. At the same time, she's requesting you to drink a milk. As well as at the same time, she's requesting you to play a chess game. Again, she is requesting you to eat a banana, right? Again, she is requesting you to sweep your home, right? Again, she is requesting you to watch TV, right? Dadiya dal, Asami, sweaty also, no? Asamili, Samili bayala. Don't worry. So now you think, can you do those 10 things at the same time? Can you?
Can't.
Why?
Can't.
Why? Samili, I very. Sir, උත්තර ඉඳලා ප්‍රශ්නයක් නේද? So also asked a mad question. Is that so? Right. Yes, we cannot put it because we are human, right? We are human, right? We cannot do 10 things at a time, right? If we wanted to do 10 things, what we have to do is we have to allocate the time for the particular tasks. May tasks වලට අපි time එක allocate කරගන්න ඕන. අපි කරන්නේ එහෙම. Right. But when we request, if we request to the computer to do multiple tasks at a time, will he say, no, I can't at this time. I'm lazy at this time. It cannot. Now we don't have time. Right? If I started to do that, it might take another 10 hours to finish this. Is he saying like that? No. එයා එහෙම කියන්නේ දෙන දේ එයා බාර ගන්නවා කරන්න. කිසි ප්‍රශ්නයක් නැහැ. If we let 100 works, 100 tasks to do, it will complete all the particular tasks within a given time period. Will it feel any tiredness? එයාට මහන්සියක් දැනෙන්න පුළුවන්ද? Will it feel any tiredness? No. අපි කරොත් තමයි අපිට මහන්සි, වතුර බොන්න ඕන, නිදිමතයි. ගොඩ දේවල් වෙනවා. ඒත් අපිට කරන්නත් බෑ. වැඩ 10ක් 12ක් දුන්නත් කරන්න බෑ. But if we let computer to do 100 tasks at the same time, definitely it will finish it at the particular time period. That is another characteristic of a computer. Computer is a multitasking machine. Computer can do multitasking purposes, right? Computer cannot feel anything. Computer is a multitasking one, right? As well as computer generates the accurate information. It generates accurate information. So when we give data and when we give instructions, finally according to particular data and instructions, this computer outputs some sort of information. But this particular information will be accurate according to its data and instructions. Therefore, we can say by a computer we can generate accurate information. By a computer we can generate accurate information. අපිට computer එකෙන් accurate information generate කරන්න පුළුවන්. The other one is timeliness. What is this timeliness? It takes very short time period to do the particular task. Computer takes very short time period to complete the particular task. Right? Understood it? Is it clear to you all? Huh?
Yes.
මම කියපුවා පුතාලට පැහැදිලිද? Clearද? Huh? Yes. Okay. Then we will write down the characteristics of computer. Topic is characteristics of computer. Wait a minute. Characteristics of a computer. characteristics of a computer. Computer के लक्षण, right? Wait a minute. I need to. Sometimes this session will be ended. Session එක end වෙවි ඔයගොල්ලෝ connect වෙන්න because I don't have power now. I'm going to connect it through my hotspot. Right. I just connected characteristics of computer. Right. Under that, we'll write down. Under that, we'll write down number 1. It cannot feel anything. It cannot feel anything. It cannot feel anything. Number 2. Number 2. It is a. It can performs multiple. It can perform. Don't put S. It can perform multiple tasks at a time. It can perform multiple tasks at a time. Right? What else we can say? What are the other characteristics? Number 3, it provides accurate information. It provides accurate information. Number 4, it consumes very less time to. It consumes very less time to it consumes very less time to perform it tasks. It consumes very less time to perform its tasks. It consumes very less time to perform its tasks. Right? Then there's another specialty in this computer. There's another specialty in this computer. Computer can permanently store data for a long time. Computer can permanently store data for a long time. Right? Computer can permanently store data for a long time. Computer can permanently store data for a long time. Right? Those are the characteristics of computer. Major characteristics. Right? Instead of that, there are another different characteristics it consists. But here are the major characteristics of a computer. Okay? Right. Now we'll see what is the working process of the computer. අපි බලමු මෙයාගේ working process එක මොකක්ද කියලා. We'll see what is the working process of the computer. Can somebody have some idea about it? Do somebody have some idea about it? කාට හරි idea එකක් තියෙනවද මෙයාගේ working process එක ගැන? Any idea? Any idea about its working process? එයාගේ working process එක ගැන අපේ කාට හරි දරුවෙකුට තියෙනවද idea එකක්? When you were explaining about the computer, you did say something. Huh? When you were explaining about the computer, you did say something. Computer is a man-made electronic device, right, which converts data into meaningful information. Is that so? Ahmed? Huh? Am I correct? එහෙම දෙයක් කිව්වා නේද? Have you all say such a thing when you were giving a definition for a computer? Have you said like that? ඒ විදිහට එහෙම දෙයක් කිව්වද? Remember?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. You all have told that. එහෙම එකක් කියලා තිබුණා. මටත් මතකයි. Right. So actually, computer, keep in mind, computer is the only device which can convert data into meaningful information. There is no any other device that can beat the computer by this, right? That's the thing about the computer. එකයි computer ගැන අපිට කියන්න තියෙන්නේ. Computer එක තමයි අපිට. Computer is the only device which can convert data into meaningful information, right? Okay, understood it? Right. Then
Yes.
we can write down it as it also as one of its characteristic. We can write down that one also as one of its characteristic. Computer can, sixth one, we'll write down sixth one. Computer converts data into meaningful information. Computer is the only device, right? Computer is the only device that can convert data into meaningful information. Right. Write down that one also. Right. Have you all written down that? Have you all written down that?
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. Then there I mentioned computer is the only device that can convert data into meaningful information. Right? That is the only task that can perform by the computer. That is the only common task which can perform by the computer, right? It means convert data into meaningful information. That is the only task which can perform by the computer, right? එයාට කරන්න පුළුවන් එකම දේ එච්චරයි. So, but earlier I said, when we were discussing about the characteristics of computer can do multiple tasks at a time, at the same time. So what are these multiple tasks? All of these multiple tasks are related to convert data into meaningful information, right? ඉස්සෙල්ලා කියපු multiple tasks ඔක්කොම relate වෙන්නේ මොනවටද? All the multiple tasks what I mentioned above are relating to convert data into meaningful information. Understood it?
Yes, sir.
Apela, it's clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. If you all have any doubt, please ask from me. ඔයගලන්ට මොන්නම හරි doubt එකක් තියෙනවා නම් මගෙන් අහන්න ඕන. Right? Please. Any doubts? Huh? Are there any doubts? අහන්න නැතුව ඉන්න එපා පුතේ. මොනවා හරි ඩවුට් එකක් තියෙනවා නම් මගෙන් අහන්න ඕන. Samili, any doubts?
No, sir.
Apela, any doubts?
No, sir.
Sure?
Yes, sir.
Right, okay. Then we will continue this session by logging into the next session. This session is going to be ended now within another few seconds, right? This session is going to be ended within a few seconds. We'll let it finish and join to the next session and continue this, okay? Api balam, right? We'll see. Oh, what happened to Lashini then? Huh? What happened to Lashini? I think she also has a power cut or signal problem, ne? Same thing.